Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am setting up for the month of September in my classic happy planner, which is the month where autumn begins. I'm pulling in these 3 pieces of cardstock. I don't know if I'm going to use all 3, but I know I definitely want to use these 2. So let's see. And I just used the cardstock to put like a bill or a national holiday or a wacky holiday. Hi everyone, voiceover Quinn here. So this was going to be a talk through, but there was just a lot of background noise going on, a lot of running and music, Coco Melon playing in the background. So I decided to go ahead and do a talk through. So as you can see, I did go ahead and cut the cardstock. And I'm going to be using these to signify like a holiday. I'll also be pulling in some deco from the seasonal Happy Planner sticker book. So I did go ahead and decide to do a fall theme in my Happy Planner. Just being that fall doesn't really last that long. So I did just go ahead and start on that. And it actually made it feel a little bit more like fall, or that fall is coming. So yes, I went ahead and put these leaves down. They were so pretty. And I did the same thing for the bottom 2 squares. So I'm placing the square for the start of autumn, Labor Day, and I actually put it on the wrong one, but I'm going to move it now. So Labor Day, 9/11, the 20th, it was a wacky holiday. I think it's like Eat Ice Cream Day or something. This sticker book is from Capital Chick Designs, and there's some holidays in there, so I pulled that in. I found this sticker that says it's fall, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down with some pumpkins and some fall leaves from that book. And I thought that was super cute together. I also wanted to mark September 29th, which is Coffee Day. This coffee is from the same sticker book, Capital Chick Designs. And I didn't know how to mark 9/11, so I decided to pull in a flag and just use 9/11 gold stickers. And those stickers are from Recollections, the numbers. And I couldn't find a Labor Day sticker in that particular book. but I will find one eventually. So I did want to go ahead and mark my birthday in my happy planner as well, and I did find this happy birthday with some presents in the Capital Chick Design book and a wine glass, and the little floral leaves there is from the Happy Planner seasonal book. Moving on to my bills, I used another piece of cardstock that you saw in the beginning, along with a gold box from Colorful Boxes. I needed to mark my rent for the 1st, electric for the 9th. On the 14th is my credit card. The 21st is a phone bill. And the 24th is the internet. So that is how I mark the bills for this month in my planner. Now moving on to my chores, my monthly chores, and that exclamation mark is for something that I need to remember to pay before that date. So on the 2nd, I'm doing spot cleaning the furniture. On the 5th, we are disinfecting the trash can. The 8th is doors, walls, windows, and switch covers. On the 12th is baseboards. The 16th is to wash the bedding. The 18th is to clean the appliances. And the 23rd is the cabinets. And I did find a Labor Day script in the back of a Wrong book. I'm going to go ahead and place that down. Moving on to my sidebar, I'm going to add the little girl with her dog there. And I was seeing that the little dog looks like my dog, Cotton. And she's reading her book. And I also pulled a full box from the seasonal sticker book with all of the leaves in the background. I thought that was really cute to use as a background. And I was saying, oh, I hope this works out. So yes, it actually did. It was super cute at the bottom. I'm going to zoom in for you now. Adding some pumpkins and those leaves again. I did find a quote in the seasonal book, and the quote says, "Oh, fall, it's nice to see you again." So lastly, I'm going to cover up this month here and add some more leaf deco. And on the other side, it looked a little bare, so I will add some more florals. I did find these gold trims in the seasonal book as well, so I just added that in the places that were a little naked. So yes, just ending with adding a few more deco pieces. So this is how our September monthly looks. Super cute, super fallish. I like how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.